Let me ask you something. When was the last time you did something that truly scared you? Something that made your heart race not because you were afraid to fail, but because you knew it could change everything. Most people don't realize this, but it's not failure that kills dreams, it's comfort. Comfort is quiet, it feels soft, safe, and familiar. But that's what makes it dangerous. Because one day you wake up realizing you have been living the same year over and over again and calling it a life. Your comfort zone tells you don't take risk, don't speak up, don't change anything. It keeps you small, controlled, and numb. And the more you stay in that comfort, the more your fire dies out slowly, silently, without warning. You stop dreaming big because you don't want to be disappointed. You stop trying because it's easier not to fail. You stop caring because effort feels exhausting. But here is the truth, staying comfortable is the most exhausting thing in the world because your soul knows you are capable of more. And every day you ignore that calling, a part of you dies a little inside. Growth hurts, change is uncomfortable. You will lose people, you will be misunderstood, you will doubt yourself. But you know what hurts even more? Regret. Regret for not trying, regret for staying silent, regret for letting fear decide your future. You see, the pain of growth builds you, it stretches you, shapes you, strengthens you. But the pain of regret destroys you because you can't go back and change what never had the courage to do. So, if you have to feel pain, choose the one that leads to your evolution, not your destruction. You are not here to live a half lived life. You are here to create, to express, to build, to love, to expand. But none of that happens inside your comfort zone. Your comfort zone may keep you safe, but it also keeps you unseen, unheard, and unfulfilled. The real you, the bold, powerful, limitless you, only shows up when you dare to step into the unknown. That's where magic happens. That's where destiny meets courage. That's where you stop existing and start living. So, here is your reminder, the longer you wait for the perfect time, the more your potential slips away. Stop waiting to feel ready. Stop waiting for approval. Stop waiting for a sign. This is your sign. Step out, take the risk, get uncomfortable because nothing grows in comfort. And your comfort zone, it's not protecting you, it's burying you alive. You are not meant to survive, you are meant to soar. Comfort is enemy of growth. Step out, your destiny is waiting. Thank you for being here.